A leaked drone quietly signals a shift in how immersive aerial footage might be captured. DJI's Avata 360 appears as the company's first serious move into consumer 360-degree FPV flight. It matters now because creators want immersion without complexity. The decision is whether this becomes the next creative tool or stays an ambitious experiment. Leaks suggest an early 2026 launch, and the intent feels clear. This is not built for racing or raw speed. It is aimed squarely at immersive storytellers who want freedom in post without losing the thrill of FPV flight. DJI is not just entering the 360 space. It is directly challenging the category leader. Right now, Insta360 dominates 360-degree action and aerial creativity. The Avata 360 looks like DJI's answer, but with familiar advantage. Stabilization, ecosystem depth, and a reliable FPV experience change how usable the footage becomes. This feels less like a side project and more like a strategic response. The heart of that challenge is the camera. Dual-lens 360 capture is rumored, with resolutions reaching 5.7K and possibly even 8K. That matters because higher resolution lets creators reframe later without sacrificing clarity. A single flight can produce multiple angles, eliminating the pressure to aim perfectly in the moment. Misframing stops being a problem. Horizon leveling and cinematic smoothing are expected to handle the chaos of FPV movement. Fast dives and tight turns become smooth footage instead of shaky clips. The result is aggressive flying that still looks intentional. Flight behavior builds on familiar ground. Leaks point to the Avata FPV platform, which means full support for DJI FPV goggles and low-latency live feed. Indoor spaces, narrow corridors, and dynamic fly through shots become practical rather than risky. This opens locations that traditional drones struggle to capture. Protective propeller guards reinforce that accessibility. Beginners gain confidence flying close to objects, while experienced pilots retain manual control. The balance is safety without removing fun. That combination expands who can realistically use it. One rumored detail changes everything. A takeoff weight under 250 grams would dramatically reduce regulatory friction. Fewer registration requirements and easier travel reshape where and how often it can fly. Achieving 360-degree FPV at that weight would signal a major engineering leap. AI features push the workflow further. Integration with an updated flight platform hints at assisted path, smoothing, and optional obstacle awareness. Automatic 360 video stitching stands out most. Fly, land, and edit immediately without manual stitching. That alone saves hours per project. Pricing introduces the first real pause. Early estimates suggest around $1,100 to start, with pro bundles approaching $1,900. Whether goggles and controllers are included becomes critical. The value depends on how much existing DJI gear can be reused. There are risks that cannot be ignored. Battery life remains a concern, since 360 cameras and FPV demand power. Heat management and storage speed will shape real-world usability. Competitors are not standing still, and the category will respond quickly, so the audience becomes clear. FPV filmmakers, travel creators, YouTubers, and VR storytellers gain the most. Racers and still photographers likely look elsewhere. This is a creative tool first, not a performance machine. If it launches close to these leaks, immersive drone content changes overnight. The barrier between flying and finished footage collapses. For creators chasing flexibility over speed, this becomes an easy decision.